I'm a security owner. I own a security integrated company in Houston. And if I'm looking for data for, let's say, all security managers and security directors in my field, in my industry throughout the state of Texas, is that something you can pull up in your data?
Yes, there are multiple ways to do it. There's not just one way. So the first way I thought of off the top of my hand is business professionals under the custom database. Everybody gets a database called business professionals. This we keep adding to. There's 36 million people. And what would be an appropriate job title for who you're looking for?
Let's say security director.
All right, so there's multiple ways to do it. So first way, we'll just type in security. And I'm actually going to build some custom lists because this would be an example of why I'd want to build custom lists because there's a lot of different ways to find what exactly James is looking for. So there's quite a few criteria. I'm just going to skip down to the ones I'm going to use. But the main ones I pay attention to are seniority level, job title, department, company industry, then the codes, and sometimes the actual company name. So the first thing you said, security director, we'll do this as a search one. We'll leave it as a job type. So in that instance, there's just over 1,000 people who have the job title security director. But, and Mike, I see you're in here too, Mike F. This is an important thing because now that's not just one way to find security directors. There's another way. You can go up to the seniority level, put in director, and type in the job title security. Now we just separated. Okay, now we're looking for an array of security directors, security and director versus security director. And we found another 8,000 compared to the first 1,000. So we'll do senior, or we'll say security, job title, and seniority. My fingers. And there's a third way I thought of. And this can be security companies where people are in charge of the security companies, maybe as a third way. But that is a clever way. There's also one other way I want to point out that I just thought of. You can type in security and then do VP. Right, so that's 13,000. Security job title. So by doing this, all of these searches you're now not going to have to do as a user. So if you're white labeling, whatever the case may be, this is the way to save your user a lot of time. And now you were just looking for security directors. And now we have 3 unique lists where it's security director, job title, and those other 3.
And likewise, as a direct end user, right now that you have, if you have those pre-built saved lists, you can also refresh those lists. Is that correct?
Yes, these filters are pre-saved on the database.
But that would consist of the job title, the name, the contact person, their phone number, email address.
Yeah, so you get 80 to 90 different fields, personal information. So the children, the married, homeowner, estimated net worth,